Can you tell us something about this little guy?
He's at least 2 to 4 kgs.
Yeah, and he is what's his breed?
Half grey giant. I don't know if that's a breed, but then
Yeah,
I think
grey
it's a
giant,
type
Flemish
of,
grey
yeah,
giant.
it's a Flemish grey giant and half Soviet chinchilla.
Yeah, so this little guy must be 3 months old and he's so big. And
He's actually so heavy, man.
yeah, seriously. Hello, Chono. It's like,
He's at max, like max tippy top 7 kgs.
oh God.
Because he's actually so heavy.
Okay. Okay. Now we've taken a resolution to even drink water in only steel bottles. So that's
He's
like our.
as big as the steam.
Yeah, is it? He's as tall?
Oh no, he's bigger.
Seriously? Yeah. Oh God. So this is a 1 liter bottle that is so tall.
So he's more than 1 liter if we fill him to the brim.
Yeah. So this is just so cute and I can watch this video all day.